Find x. So we take a look at this particular picture that's given to us, and what I hope you notice is that this is a diagram of vertical angles. And what we know about vertical angles is that they have an equal measure. So we can take this angle here and set it equal to that angle there. We're given those values. So 2x plus 8 equals 4x minus 128. Solve this the way your Algebra 1 teacher taught you. I, in general, move my letter to the left. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. And we get negative 2x plus 8 equals negative 128. And then we can subtract 8 from both sides. We get negative 2x equals negative 136. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. And I have to pause for a second as I think here, but 2 goes into 13 6 times, and I believe it's 68. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. Yes, 68 is our value for x. Number 9 is also an example of vertical angles. So, and it looks like it's vertical angles, but let's look at what the problem says here. It says, two lines intersect to form this figure. What is the value of x? And it's actually that we have angles that are side by side, and if I draw this in, we get what I call a protractor sometimes, and that looks like that they add to be 180. This is actually a picture of a linear pair. And what we can do to figure out the value of x is we take 2x plus 4x plus 30, and that's going to be equal to 180 degrees. Again, a linear pair has to be adjacent, which is side by side, as well as combined to be 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. When we solve this equation now, we get 6x plus 30 is 180. Subtract 30 from both sides, and we get 6x equals 150. And then when we divide both sides by 6, we end up with x equals 25.